Hello and welcome to MathematicsKicker. Today we'll be focusing on probability. In today's lesson, we'll be focusing on probability. I hold a view that probability is very easy. Anyone can study probability. Anyone can do probability. I hold that view that probability is very easy. So I have a question for you. What is probability? What do you understand by the word probability? What do you understand by the word probability? You can pause this video and answer this question. What is probability according to you? What is probability? Okay, in most cases when I teach the probability, I ask people this question, what is probability? The answer I get in most cases when I ask people what is probability, they are saying that when we talk of probability, we are talking about the chances of a certain event which is likely to happen. Some are saying we are talking about the possibilities. We're talking about the possibilities, right? In this case, they're saying we're talking about the chances, we're talking about the possibilities when we talk of the probability. So, my good people, today our question which I like to ask people is that, what is probability in mathematics? How do we express probability in mathematics? We can express probability in mathematics this way. We can say probability of an event E occurring. Probability of event E is equal to the number of possible times event can occur divided by the number of possible outcomes. It's equal to the number of possible times event can occur divided by the number of possible outcomes. Right. I like to define this by saying that a probability in mathematics, probability of a certain event to occur, is equal to the chances of an event to occur divided by the total outcomes or the total number of outcomes. Right. I say the probability of an event E to occur is equal to the chances of an event E to occur divided by the total outcomes. That's how I define the probability. Then now, we'll deal with these things later. Must keep in mind that the probability will rise between 0 and 1, where 0 is impossible. Where 1 is certain. It means that the event at 0 is unlikely to happen. It means no event will happen at 0. Then at 1, it's certain. That event we are 100% sure that is going to happen. And we can express probability in terms of percentage. I said probability lies between 0 and 1. Any number that is between 0 and 1 is going to be 0.5, right? We can express probability in terms of percentage. How do we express probability in terms of percentage? Expressing probability in terms of percentage, it means we have a 0%. Yeah, between 0 and 1, we have what? 50% chances of a certain event to occur. We'll have 100% chances of a certain event to occur. So, in this case, again, we can express probability in terms of what? Of fractions. I said we can express probability in percentages. We can express probability in terms of what? Fractions. We can also express probability in terms of what? Of decimal. We can express probability this way. So let's proceed. Okay, I would like to talk about the sample space and the outcomes. The sample space and outcomes. You can pause this video and answer these questions. What is a sample space? What is an outcome in probability? Okay. My good people, a sample space, we can express this, let me write it here, sample space, we can express this in curly brackets, right? This is our sample space. Whatever is inside the sample space is our outcome. Whatever is inside the sample space is our outcome. For example, let's say we have a bag. We have a bag with sweets. We have a bag with 7 sweets. This bag consists of 2 blue sweets. Consists of what? Of 4 green sweets. And what? And 1 red sweet. It's a bag. This bag consists of what? How many sweets? 2 plus 4 plus 1. It's 7 sweets. So we have this bag. This is our sample space. Then what is the total outcome? What is our outcome inside the bag? The outcome, the possible outcome say I was going to pick a sweet inside the bag, what is our outcome inside the bag? Then the outcome inside the bag is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 1. We have how many sweets? 7. This is our outcome. Then now let's talk about the probability. Now I want us to talk about the probability. What is the probability of picking a sweet at random? Let's just pick a sweet at random inside that bag, right? I just pick a sweet and I get a blue sweet. What is the probability of picking a blue sweet inside the bag? What's the probability of getting a sweet which is blue? You check how many blue sweets are in the bag. We have 2 blue sweets out of what? 7. This is our probability. I said, how do we define the probability? We said it's the number of possible times event can occur. Number of possible times event can occur. It's the number of possible times event can occur whereby we can pick what? A blue sweet. How many blue sweets there are there? There are 2 blue sweets. It means there are 2 chances. You have 2 blue sweets there. Then are divided by the possible outcomes. What is our outcome? Our outcome is 7. Then now, what is the probability of picking a red sweet? How many red sweets are in the bag? It's 1 out of what? 7. You see this? 1 out of 7. Then let me make another example. Let me make another example with a die. We'll agree that 1 is a die. I know some textbooks or some people are saying 1 is a die. Some are saying 2 is die. Some are saying 1 is dice. Some are saying 2 is dice. So let's agree that 1 is a die. Right. Then let's talk, my good people. Let me erase this side and we talk. Then now, what is a sample space of a die? Sample space of a die. In a die, has got how many sides? 6 sides, right? It's either we have side of 1, side of 2, side of 3, side of 4, side of 5, or side of 6. It's a die. Then now, what is our outcome inside the sample space? What is our outcome? Our outcome is going to be what? It's going to be 6. Our outcome is going to be 6, right? Because there are how many events there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then now, what is the probability? What is the probability of what? Of rolling a die and you get 3. What is the probability of rolling a die and get 3? How many 3 are in a die inside the sample space? We only have 1 3. Then it's going to be what? 1 over the outcome how much is 6. Then what is the probability of choosing what? 5 of rolling a die and you get what? We get 5. It's what's going to be 1 over 6. Okay, what's the probability of getting 2 or 6? What's the probability of getting 2 or 6 when you roll a die? How many 2s are there? 1. How many 6 are there? 1. It means there are 2 events which are likely to happen. Is the event of getting what? A 2. Is the event of getting what? A 6. Then it means it's going to be what? 2 over 6, which is the same as what? 1 over 3. You see? Or we can express it like this. We can say probability of getting 2 or 6 is equal to the probability of getting 2 plus the probability of getting what? A 6. Let's write this. What is the probability of getting a 2? How many 2's are there? It's 1 over 6. Plus how many 6 are there? It's 1 over 6. Is equal to how much? The denominators are the same. We take one denominator, we add the numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's going to be what? 1 over 3. You see this? You see this, my good people? So now, let's continue. We are going to continue. Let me erase. By erasing here, we continue. So we said our outcome is 6. Outcome is equal to 6. Then now, my good people, what is the probability of getting an even number? Here. What is the probability of getting an even number? This is our sample space. Our outcome is 6. What is the probability of getting an even number if you roll a die? How many even numbers are there? What is an even number? The even number is what? Is 2, 4, 6. How many even numbers are there? It's 2, 4, and 6. It's 3 over 6. It's the same as 1 over 2. That's the probability of getting an even number. What is the probability of getting an odd? What is the probability of getting an odd? What is the probability of getting an odd? The probability of getting an odd is how much? It's how many odds are there? 1, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 over 6. It's the same as 1 over 2. What is the probability of getting the multiple of 6? What is the probability of getting the multiples of 4? You can do many things there, right? Then now, my good people, I'll do a couple of examples. Let me do the last example. Let's say we are given the word probability. Let's say we are given the word probability. The probability has got how many weights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The probability has got 11 weights, right? What is our sample space? The sample space is going to be these letters, right? Consists of these letters. Then what is our outcome? The outcome is going to be what? 11. Because we have 11 weights there. Letters, right? We have 11 letters, right? Not weights, 11 letters. This is our outcome. The outcome is equal to how much? 11. Then now, my good people, what is the probability of picking letter B at random? I just pick letter B in probability. How many letter B's are there? It's 1, 2. It's going to be 2 over 11. You see this 2 over 11. What is the probability of picking letter I or T? How many I are there? Is this I and this I. And the T is on this one, right? So there are 3 letters which I can choose. 3 letters which I can choose, right? It means that it's going to be 3 over 11 because there are 3 letters. Then what is the probability of picking a vowel? What are the vowels? Vowels, we know that they are A, E, I, O, U. What is our vowels here? O is a vowel. A is a vowel. I is a vowel. I is a vowel. How many vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? There are 4 vowels. Since the probability of choosing a vowel is 4 over 11. So my good people, please like and share our videos. I will record more videos. Please subscribe. You can check our Facebook page, official at MathematicsKicker, our YouTube channel, official at MathematicsKicker. You can join our WhatsApp group. It's free. Join our WhatsApp group for more information, whereby we share materials. We engage with other people from different places. So you can text this number or search this name on Facebook or WhatsApp or YouTube. You'll find us. I thank you.